Welcome back YouTube, you have Ahmed again from In-Depth Tech Reviews, and in today's video I'm gonna review this smart light panels from Life Smart called Cololight. And I'm a really big fan of smart light panels because they look really nice and also they are modular, so you can create your own pattern and you can also purchase extra panels in the future and connect it to the same set you have to make it bigger if you want to. So in this video, I'm gonna go through the unboxing of the Cololight and also walk you through all the features you're gonna get. But before getting started, let's make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So let's jump in. So let's open the box and see what's inside. I do really like the box and it feels very premium. So here's the first thing we get, another box that contains the light panels themselves. So let's open it. And the first thing you get here is the control unit. This is actually the thing that powers all your light panels, and it also connects to your Wi-Fi to be able to attach it to your home network and control it from your device, from your smart speaker. And it also works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. In this box you get 6 panels that you can attach together in whatever pattern you want. If you don't have anything in mind or a specific pattern in mind, you can check the website of Life Smart and they are showing you some really cool patterns that you can choose from. Let's put that aside. In the second half of the box you get this base, which will allow you to use them on your desk or any table if you want to. And it's a pretty heavy one to be able to hold the weight of the light panels. You also get these connectors, which will allow you to connect all these panels together. Okay, and the base works that way, you can put it that way, and the control unit can actually go into it like this. Like this, if you would say, some pretty long wire, like this, and all the lights will be attached to the control unit from here. Also keep in mind that you don't get a power brick with this thing, so you might have your own power brick that you from any older device you have that will do the job. I'm using here the power brick that came with my Chromecast. It produces 1 ampere of power and it's good enough to power 6 panels from Cololight. However, maybe if you increased the number of panels in the future, you might need to get more powerful power brick. So let's start with the setup and see what we can do with them. So of course the first thing you need to do is to connect them together. Whenever you feel comfortable with a specific pattern, you can start using the connectors right here to attach them together. And also you have the user guide, which will allow you to understand how it works. I'm not gonna go through a full setup for this video. I'm only gonna review the unit. However, it's pretty straightforward and I managed to do it myself without any help. So just follow the instructions in the user guide and you will be good to go. Second thing you need to do is to download the app for the Cololight. Just to open the Play Store or the App Store of iOS and search for Cololight and the application will show up. Install it and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up with your home network. So there are 2 ways to fix your light panels. Either attach it to the wall using any double-sided tape, or you can put it on a table or a desk using the base that comes with it. In the Cololight app you have a variety of lighting options to choose from. Either solid colors and you have plenty of them, or dynamic color patterns that looks really nice. It can also change the lights based on the music playing around, so let me show you this.
Never should have come here.
You can also add it to your Google Home app, which will allow you to control it using your Google Assistant, either from your mobile or smart speakers. It also works with Amazon Alexa. You can also control it from the Google Home app, and it offers you a decent amount of options, like changing the brightness and the colors. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.